Look at that, eh? Looks pretty good. This was made simply with a melon, which I spooned out, 2 bananas, and they should be really ripe, almost black spotted, if you want to call them that. But they should be ripe because they're sweeter. You put the sweet bananas and the melon, the spoon melon pieces in the jar, and then you use this blender. It's a hand blender. It's really nice. They call it a stick blender here. It's a hand blender, and it's really great. I love it. It's so efficient and so cheap. I got this one for 23 euros only. That's right, 23 euros. My, that's so cheap. I can't imagine spending more than 23 euros now on a really good blender. This comes with a 2-year warranty. So if there's anything wrong with it, hey, I'm covered, right? So it's a great solution. I'm out camping, and here I am making smoothies. Wonderful time. Peace out. Later.